Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Wi-Fi settings in laptop. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reset your Wi-Fi settings in laptop to default settings, all you simply need to do is go ahead and click on the start button. Now, click on settings. Once you click on settings, locate and click on network and internet. Then, under your network and internet, you want to scroll down, locate and click on advanced network settings. Now, under network and internet, scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Once you selected advanced network settings, you want to scroll down until you get to reset network settings. Then you should say this will remove and then restore all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Now, to reset your Wi-Fi network settings back to the default, go ahead and click on reset now. Then you should see that says network reset. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Just go ahead and select reset. Mark you, once you click on reset, this is going to reset your network settings back to default, and at the same time this is going to restart your PC. And once the PC is restarted and you key in your password, this is going to help you to reset your Wi-Fi settings on your PC. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.